Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create an account on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device, but if you don't have it yet, just go to App Store, search for eBay and download it. Once the application is downloaded, open it and enter My eBay section at the bottom side of your screen, and then at the top of your screen you see here Sign in. So you can sign in if you have already an account, but since we don't have an account and we want to create it, you need to press this blue words create an account. And you can either create an account using your email address or sign up quickly using Apple, Facebook or Google. For this tutorial, let's go with email option, for example. So type in your email address. So for example, and then enter your first name and last name. Then press continue button, and now you need to create a strong password. Let me create a password. When you have entered your password, press blue button create account. eBay asks me if I would like to receive some notifications. You can either allow them or don't allow. And eBay might ask you to verify your email, but it may not. And that's it. You're now officially created an eBay account. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.